Hi, dear audience. In life, not everyone will make your boss happy, so we invite you to watch today's video, in which we have compiled the list of 20 people with exceptional work abilities who were accidentally caught by the camera. Let's start exploring now. To become one good chef, you need meticulousness and ingenuity, but this naturally blind chef can become a good chef that any one person admires. What can you do in a few seconds? But with this outstanding chef, he can finish the melon in just 12 seconds. Or like the waiter, just 6 seconds short, he has finished folding the table. Bisque. It's just a simple job to put on a record, but the way he does it is not simple at all, so don't underestimate any one job. The elaborate patterns on the ceramic vases. No one would have expected this guy to be able to complete it in less than 1 minute. What do you think about this guy's talent? Fit. Nice thin slices of melon, you need to be careful and meticulous. But for him, he still slices 1 at 7 melons extremely evenly and quickly without looking. 7. Camera accidentally captured the image of the young man packing shoes. Just 3 seconds, he finished packing the shoes into the box. Is there any machine that can beat him? Into the car, you need to be careful to avoid them being crushed. But with this guy, with just one hand, he can still accurately and quickly catch the melon, and it's still safe. 9th, sharpen the knife. With his smart way of doing things, the guy did a seemingly simple job of sharpening a knife to make others admire. Camera accidentally captured an image of a chef making a cake at a small market in China. Looking at how fast and accurate he is, do you think this cake is more delicious? 11. Face seemed to be falling asleep, but his hands were still working so fast and accurate that any normal worker would have to salute. 12. Sometimes you still have difficulty peeling bananas, but for him, peeling old trees can't be difficult for him. Billing. Any cashier girl can use computers fluently, but to reach the top level like this girl, machines also have to admit. Meat. Grilled meat on skewers is always a favorite dish of many people. But can you imagine that there's a chef who bakes so many skewers at once and still tastes good, but we ordinary people do it all day? 5th. Ariba is a traditional Colombian dish. Perhaps in order to meet the huge consumer demand, these chefs have trained to reach the level of fast baking to such an extreme. As a street food in Korea with the outer shell containing fish, it is really difficult to wrap. But for talented chefs, there is really nothing that can't be difficult for them. With suitcases at the airport, many people need machines to wrap those bags. But for this guy's superior skill, it's just his hands that do it with speed and precision. 18. Picking vegetables. She picks and bundles the herbs with her nimble hands, yet is precise and beautiful. What do you think of her amazing skill? Any of you know Japanese soba noodles? Can you imagine the chefs used to cut the noodles with their bare hands as fast and precise as this machine? Fancy hats can be created in just a few minutes. With these wonderful hands, perhaps nothing is impossible. The video has brought you relaxing moments to start a new day with joy. Thank you for watching my video until the last moment. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to watch more great videos from us. Now, say